Yeah, what's up YouTube? Yeah, this is my first project. Well, that's my foundation too. Yeah, I got this, it sticks out too bad. I mean, look what they did with it. It's like old spoiler rat wall. Same thing happened on the other side. Yeah, so yeah. Which is, this isn't too bad. But yeah, I had to fix all of this. This was bad. This had actually fallen out. Those stone stacked, so that's not bad. Now the upstairs, I'm doing carpet. Let me show you that. Here's my stairs I'm working on. I still got to do 4 more. Yeah, there's a bunch of that carpet. But yeah, 4 more. Here's 2 original boards. I saved 4 original boards. The house is built in 1910. So, and I've replaced all the boards going up. Ripped out the shag carpet here, which I don't know if you can still see it now. There's the old nail right there. And then in here, I've been ripping up the carpet, so I'm down to the subfloor. But yeah, it's bad. And of course, I still got furniture in here. I'm moving furniture around, but it's nasty. Yuck. But yeah, so far so good. I mean, nice. You can see, I just love that old, some of this board. Yeah. Thanks. Lots of wallpaper, plaster bust out. You have these